it's really, really exciting getting a new kitchen, but the choices out there are mind-boggling. There's the units to think of, there's the ovens, there's the hob, there's a microwave, etc., etc. But at the end of the day, units are just units, and I was looking for something that would give me a wow factor with my kitchen, and everything I saw was boring. I looked at different work surfaces such as granite, corian, marble, etc. And then to look at a splashback, and they just clashed with each other. And I hadn't yet found what I was looking for. I then came across a demonstration video, promo video by a company called CreoGlass. And the demonstration showed how the splashback could coordinate into the work surface, but it was glass, and I thought, hang on, glass, it will scratch, it will show finger marks, and it's cold, it's not very practical. But the promo went on, and the guy did his cutting on it, and he dropped things on it, and it didn't smash. Anyway, it caught my eye, and I thought, I've got to investigate this further. So I went to their factory that's based in Watford, and that was the start of my journey. My boring kitchen that everybody had been trying to sell me started to create into a wow factor. My mind was stretched. I could visualize colours that was put on the screen in front of me, and the design and everything came to life. And from a very nice kitchen that I could have had, I now have something that is fantastic. No two kitchens from CreoGlass will ever look the same. Mine is individual to me, as yours will be to you, because you will choose the colour, you can use the design. And do you know what? It is so easy to keep clean. No special products are needed, just a damp cloth. And all I can say is, yes, it is quite expensive, but definitely it is worth every single penny if you want to have something that is just special.